In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Microsoft Teams on all devices step by step. Whether you've changed devices, are security conscious, or just want a fresh start, logging out of Microsoft Teams across all your devices is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Teams on your device. It doesn't matter whether you are on your mobile phone, desktop, or tablet, the interface is quite similar. Once you've logged in and are on the home screen, look in the upper right-hand corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture or initials. It's your personal identifier within Teams. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on your profile, a menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to find and select Settings. This will guide you into the deeper sections of your Teams account where you can make changes to various settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left sidebar. Among these tabs, you'll want to click on the one that says Accounts. In this section, you'll find everything related to your account management. This is where your journey to logging out begins in earnest. Within the Accounts tab, look for an option labeled Manage. Selecting Manage opens up a new subsection where you can get an overview of your account settings. It's helpful to know what all your options are here for future reference, even beyond just signing out. Now, in the Manage section, you'll come across the Overview option. Clicking on Overview gives you a big picture look at your account activity, including your signed-in sessions across various devices. In the Overview section, you should see an option that reads Sign Out Everywhere. This action is quite impactful because it will log you out from every device where you're currently signed in. Before you proceed, ensure you really do wish to log out everywhere, as this will affect all your active devices simultaneously. When you click Sign Out Everywhere, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Teams' way of double-checking that you intended to take this action, since it can have significant effects, particularly if you're logged into multiple devices for work. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm your decision. After confirming, there will be a final click, clicking OK. This step seals the deal, finalizing your decision to log out of all sessions. After this, you'll be securely signed out from Microsoft Teams on every device. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Microsoft Teams across all devices. This guide ensures your account remains secure, providing peace of mind when switching devices or adjusting security settings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about what you'd like to learn next.